Steam refuses to update, insisting you are offline, even when your internet works fine. Let's see what to do to get it working again. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. One common Steam error reads, Steam needs to be online to update, please confirm your network connection. It often shows up even when your internet is fine. In this video, we will show you quick steps to refresh Steam and get updates working again. Method 1. Clear Steam download cache. Corrupted download files can prevent Steam from connecting properly. Clearing the cache forces Steam to rebuild fresh data. Here is what to do. Open the Steam application. From the top left corner, click on Steam, then go to Settings. Go to the Download section. Click Clear Download Cache. Press OK to save changes. Restart Steam, log back in, and check if the error is resolved. Method 2. Disable proxy servers. Proxy settings can block Steam from reaching its servers. Here is how to disable proxy servers. Type Internet Options in the Windows search bar and open it. Go to the Connections tab, then click LAN Settings. Uncheck Use Proxy Server for your LAN. Click OK to save changes. Restart Steam and test connectivity. Method 3. Check Steam servers. If the Steam servers are down or under maintenance, then you will not be able to connect to Steam. So click on this link to find out if there is any server outage. If there is a problem, then wait for some time till everything is up and running. You should also make sure you are having a stable internet connection. You can restart your router and check if that helps. Method 4. Run the network troubleshooters. When you are getting connectivity issues on Steam, run Windows Internet Connections Troubleshooter. Windows inbuilt Internet Troubleshooter will fix the issue. To run the troubleshooter, follow these steps. Press Windows plus I keys to open settings. Select Troubleshoot under System. Next, select Other Troubleshooters. Click on the Run button next to Network and Internet option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Now open Steam and check if this could fix the problem. If not, then update network drivers. Method 5. Update network drivers. Outdated drivers can cause connectivity issues. Open Device Manager via Windows Search. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your adapter, then select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Follow on-screen instructions to update. Method 6. End tasks in Task Manager. Background programs consuming high CPU or bandwidth can slow Steam and cause issues like this. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Del, then select Task Manager and go to the Processes tab. Identify programs using high CPU or memory. Right-click each and select End Task. Restart Steam and check if the error persists. Method 7. Flush DNS and reset WinSock. A corrupted DNS cache can block Steam from connecting to its servers. Follow these steps to flush DNS and reset WinSock. Type Command Prompt in the Start menu and right-click on the Command Prompt option. Choose the Run as Administrator option. Now copy and paste the following lines of commands in the elevated Command Prompt window. Hit Enter after each command. ipconfig/flush DNS, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, netsh int IP reset, netsh WinSock reset. Once you finish running all the commands, exit Command Prompt and relaunch Steam. Try to download a file. If the problem persists, change DNS. Method 8. Change DNS. If flushing the DNS could not boost the Steam download speed, change the DNS settings. Here is how to do it. Press Win plus R to launch the Run utility. Copy and paste ncpa.cpl command in the Run command box and press Enter. Right-click on the network services you use and expand its properties. Click to open Internet Protocol version 4 and open its properties. From Use the following DNS server addresses section and set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8. Next, set the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK to save the changes. Reopen Steam and check if the issue is fixed. Steam's online update error may look like a network problem, but with the right fixes, clearing cache, checking firewall permissions, and restarting client, you will be back online quickly. If this video helped you restore Steam updates, hit like, subscribe for more proven gaming fixes, and share your Steam troubleshooting stories in the comments, because chances are someone else is facing the same challenge. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.